Hello everyone, my name is Siddhant. I am from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering from Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. I am 2025 batch passer. So, in my final year, I did one internship in robotics firm where I worked on several Arduino and ESP32 based projects. This experience sparked my interest in embedded domain. So I looked into lots of courses and embedded institute, and I finally found Emertxe through one of my friends' recommendation. And after doing some research, I saw they have a very really good ratings and good placement results. That's why I decided to take course in Emertxe and start my embedded journey. One of the big difference is method of learning. In college, we learn all theory. Only theoretical part we cover, don't experience practical part. But in Emertxe, we do lots of things in hands-on. We studied C programming, we developed some of C projects, we did some assignments. That's why this is totally different from college learning pattern. So during learning, we learn too many concepts. After completion of one concept, we have assignments, and at the end of module, we have projects. So the projects are totally based on how many concepts we learn, and assignments are also helped me because practicing those assignments only complete this project. I have completed total 11 projects, 4 projects from C module, 2 projects from data structure, 2 projects from ALI, and 3 projects from microcontroller. It was my first interview and I cracked it. So there are 2 online interview round. In first interview, they asked some data structure questions, CPP, and some C questions. In second interview, they asked microcontroller based and some problem solving questions. So I offered for a position for member technical staff in Aarohin technology. They basically worked on system C and virtual prototyping, which is based on C programming, C++, and microcontroller. Also, they worked on some semiconductor devices. It was very good. Talking about mentors and their teaching pattern, it's best. They are very supportive and humble. If you are embedded system enthusiast and if you don't know how to start and where to start, then Emertxe is a very good option. You can take course of embedded system and start your journey. This online course is not like other online courses. We take course and we did, but there are no one-to-one interaction in that courses. But in online course, the mentors are interact with us. Their teaching pattern, we asked out, they replied. So this is different from other online platforms. So there is no difference in online and offline. Only one thing is matter, it's your consistency.
Hi everyone, I'm Ajay Krishna, I'm from Kerala. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication from Emertxe Institute of Technology in 2025. So after my graduation, I didn't have much knowledge about the practical skill like programming skills and all. So in order to develop the skills in programming language, I joined Emertxe. I came to know about Emertxe when I researched about all the institutes in Bangalore and Kerala. So I researched and I came up with Emertxe because they provide good opportunities for the freshers. In college, they teach only about the theoretical parts. The practical skills have to be developed, but we didn't have those facilities like the programming boards. So in Emertxe, they will teach you about from the basics to advanced level so that you can work on real-world projects and provide microcontroller for learning from basics to advanced levels. Through assignments, we will get the basic knowledge of how a function should work and where should we use it. These skills we acquire from the assignments, we can develop a good projects. So we can easily crack the questions asked by the interviewers. So I have done around 9 projects from at least 2 projects from every module and improve your skills in programming languages. In C, I have completed 4 projects: address book, steganography, MP3 DAC reader, and lexical analyzer. In data set structure and algorithm, I have completed 2 projects: arbitrary precision calculator and text editor. In microcontroller, I have done 1 project, CAN-based dashboard system. In Linux, I have completed the mini shell. So the projects provided by the Emertxe will give you information about how everything works and how everything should be implemented so that you can easily do more number of projects in your own. I had 3 interviews so far. First one was Heximeter's design. The second one was UST Global, where they were looking for candidates who have deep knowledge in AI. After that, I got the interview call from Aarohin Technologies. They also asked us to do coding in C++, which I cracked through, which I have done easily because I have the C++ module and I have completed one project in C++. I joined Aarohin Technologies as a member technical staff, and the company is purely based on embedded system and semiconductors, which we will be working deeply with the semiconductor devices and how virtually we can test these semiconductor chips. So if you are looking for an embedded career, you can join Emertxe, where we will get deep knowledge from the basics to the advanced level. If you completed the assignments in time and do projects according to the mentor's guidance, and a little bit of lead code questions and hacker rank will help you crack any interviews.
My name is Edwin. I am from Kottayam, Kerala. I completed my BTech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from St. Kitts College. I passed out in 2025. When I was in college, I was interested in both electrical and electronics field. And after some research, I found that electronics field having great opportunity and we will get more career growth in this field. So I chose embedded system. In my college, they are focusing on mainly in theory, and there is no very big time for developing a particular skill. And here we are focusing mainly on embedded systems. So from basics we are learning. So we will get a in-depth knowledge in the concepts and we will get hands-on experience. For me, the classes and assignments helped me a lot, improving in my logical thinking and problem solving, and this helped me do the projects more fastly. I have completed 8 projects, 3 from seed module, 2 from microcontroller, 2 from data structures, and 1 from Linux. Working on project made me to clear my concepts and it will lead to gain more knowledge in this domain. So it is very helpful in my journey. This was my first interview and the company I got placed is Aarohin Technologies. There are 2 rounds of online interview. In that they asked about C programming, microcontroller and concepts of C. I got placed in Aarohin and in the position of members technical staff. And the company is focusing on virtual prototyping, software services and embedded related fields. My overall journey is like when I came here, I don't know anything about this embedded field. So the MSc mentors really helped me to build these concepts, and these projects which are there in the syllabus helped me a lot improving my skills.